Welcome 2817 Omar Street with over 2,000 square feet and an inviting front porch. This meticulously kept 4-bed, 2.5-bath home offers granite countertops, electric range, stainless steel appliances, 42-inch cabinets, huge island, and large pantry. An open floor plan concept with kitchen overlooking the dining area, family room, and plenty of natural lighting throughout. 4 large bedrooms on the second floor with an oversized owner's suite with walk-in closet. Large primary bath with tiled shower and rain showerhead with double vanity. The laundry room is located on the second floor for your convenience. Huge fenced-in backyard with patio, fire pit, and raised garden beds ready to entertain. Oversized 2-car garage and plenty of driveway space.